Hello guys, welcome to my video. This is an unbox for the NVR, Amcrest NVR with 4K resolution, PoE and 8 channel. PoE stands for power over Ethernet, which means you can use the network cable to power your camera. So 8 cameras total because it's an 8 channel NVR, right? You can use up to 10 terabytes hard drive. This model here, this box doesn't come with the hard drive. Probably not. I'm gonna take a look right now, right? So let's just open it up, right? And in later videos, I'm gonna talk more about the setup of this device. So let me just get something to open it up because it's sealed here. Here we go. Let me just cut this seal here and then I can open it. Here we go. Let's just open this box and remove what's inside, right? So here we go. That's the NVR. It comes here with some protections. A box here with accessories, probably. Let me just put this box aside and just remove the NVR first. So here we go. Some protection here. And here comes the NVR. Just remove from this plastic bag. And here I have it, right? 4 channel NVR, and here at the back I have all the connections. Here we go. Right, let me just take a look here. What I have is the power supply. Everything comes well protected here. So here we go, regular power supply for the device. Just need to connect here. It's missing a cable, probably it's here. Let me just take a look. The power cable, here we go. So the power cable is here. You just need to connect it. And then you connect the power and you connect to the NVR. Pretty good. Also comes with the Ethernet cable. Very, very good, at least for my router. I can connect this device to my router, right? And I need extra cable like this one for my cameras. Of course, when I'm bringing camera, I'm bringing the cables. Here are the cables for the hard drive and more accessories here. A mouse, very good. So I don't need to buy a mouse, it comes with it already. And here I have rubber feet and some screws. Pretty good as well. And as always, for everything, paperwork, right? I have paperwork here for Amcrest. Information, warranty, things like that. Extended warranty, pretty good, right? And here, the user manual or quick start guide at least, right? So you can take a look at everything here with this quick guide and make your device work. Okay, so let me just take a quick look here. In a different video, I can talk more about the details of setup, but at least here, let's take a look what I have here in the NVR. So basically, 4 ports here, plus 4 here, 8 total, right? And 1 port here to connect to my Ethernet router, Ethernet port of my router. Here, VGA connection. We don't usually use VGA anymore, but you have this option here, and also HDMI and connection for mic in and mic out. Okay, so that'll be audio out, right? No, mic out, audio out, probably, right? And here, USB. You can open the device to insert a hard drive. I see that's very lightweight and there's no screws here, so the hard drive is not inside. Here's the place where you screw the hard drive, so I need to buy one. I'll get the one that I have here to place inside. Here we go, comes the logo, Amcrest, connection here for my mouse, and some LEDs here so I can see the device is working. Okay, so pretty good. It's a regular network video recorder. Okay, and I'm going to test it later in other video. You can follow if you want to, right? But that's all for this video, just a quick unbox so you can see better what comes into the box.